Alright, so for today's video, we have another pair of Air Jordan 1s. Here's the box. It came in really good shape. Size 10. Let me get up better. There we go. Size 10. You guys get to see it at the same time I do. I haven't seen these. And here's the money shot. There we go. First thing you notice off the shoe, stock X tag shoelaces. Let me see which. Yep, it has that little X. So it's one of the updated ones. You guys can see. Pretty sure it shows in the video. It shows in person. But that little X right here is what you want to look for. I mean, I don't recommend selling them, but if you do care about the stock X tag, right there shows. I don't think these came with this tag, the retail pair. So yeah, might want to take that off too. Royal blue laces, simple, and that's what you want to see the most. It's that Fragment logo. Show you guys all different angles, but it looks pretty good. It's well engraved. There you go. Show you guys the back of the shoe. Again, this is what you want to look for. This little peak, the sandglass shape, glass shape. So it comes straight, slim, and then back to being. And then this little tip right here is what you want to look for in a pair of Jordans. That's how you know it's top quality. The stitching looks really good. Again, like I told you guys before, this right angle right here, it's one of the main things you look for in a pair of Air Jordan 1s. Make sure it's straight. It goes up the swoosh by just a little bit, and then it makes the cut. Stitching looks pretty good. The material is really good. It's like any other pair, but again, it's high quality. Let me show you guys the Air Jordan logo. Again, perfect. Love it. Love the way it came out. Stitching, that right angle looks really good. That swoosh is on point. Black leather. Feels like really good leather. Here's the toe box of the shoe. So you guys can see that quality every time I press on it. So the retail pair, I believe, goes around for $2,000. You could definitely get these below that. Way below that. If you guys are interested, the link will be down in the description. These do come with bam, the Fragment logo on the insoles. Nothing crazy. Show you guys the inside, and that's the tag right there. Again, why pay $2,000 when you could get the same shoe, same quality? Oh, forgot to show you guys the tongue, my bad. Here's the tongue. That's stitching is pretty on point. Back of the shoe, made in China. Swoosh. Again, these are the Fragment Air Jordan 1s. Look how good they look. I'm very pleased the way they came out. Oh, it does come with the little goodies too. HOTKICKS sticker. If you guys want stickers, I did mention for the skunks. Anyone interested in the stickers, message me. I'll ship them to you free. Here's the left side of the shoe. Again, get rid of this. It's pointless. There's the Air Jordan logo right there. The right angle, first thing you guys look at, and the Fragment logo. These are pretty clean. I'm very happy the way these came out. You'll be surprised. You can't tell the difference, guys. Of that quality of the midsoles. I mean, the toe box. Stitching looks pretty damn great throughout the whole shoe. If you guys are interested in on foot videos, it's something I'll be working on very soon, so I can't wait for that. It does have the same Fragment logo. No point in me taking it off, but you can see it right there. There you go. The two lightning bolts, meaning it's a Fragment collab. If you guys know what it is. Bottom of the shoes, clean royal blue. Look how detailed the look on the leather is. You can't ask for better quality. Again, these are the PK 1-to-1. Simple shoelaces, nothing really special about them. There's a tag. If you guys hear a little noise in the back, it's a generator going on. Don't mind that. I'll most likely put music in the background. So yeah, these came within a week of getting from seller. So if you guys are interested, FedEx, 1 week. I believe they go for $130 or $150. I'm not sure, but again, you're paying for top quality, which isn't bad. If you guys are interested, everything on the seller will be down below. Again, very pleased with these shoes. Thanks for watching.